Hi, I'm Damien Prowse. I look after Ivan Lim's vineyards out here on the Barossa Western Ridge, and as you can see, aesthetically it's beautiful behind us. And we have 22 acres here of Cabernet and Shiraz, and yeah, it's very tough ground with very low water holding capacities, between 40 and they reckon 100, but I reckon sometimes it's about 70 or 80 centimetres. And yeah, as I said, it's brown dirt with red, and in here as well we've got hints of biscuit as well. So you got quartz and ironstone, which basically make up a lot of this red dirt here. Height wise, we're probably about 450 metres above sea level, so it's the highest point. Limmy does like to call it the highest ridge on Seppeltsfield Heights. He calls it Seppeltsfield Heights, and yeah, it's done a lot of good wine here.
I'm Stewie Bourne. I've been working with the Barossa grounds for a while, and this is pretty special out here on the Western Ridge. You can see over the shoulder, it gives you an idea of the elevation where we are. And as Prowse said, we're on these red-brown earths, and along the Western Ridge line you've got these little escarpments of ironstone. You can see that in the old houses around here. And what's it mean for the wine? Well, it's pretty hard country out here. Your Shiraz will struggle. The soil's thin, doesn't hold a lot of water, low fertility status, and again, with hard ground comes concentration. The vines eke out a pretty meagre living. They produce these tiny crops, small berries, so there's a lot of skin. So as a result, with these wines, you get a huge amount of colour, great tannin, and the expression of the fruit comes out in those real sort of blue-black fruit spectrums. Bit of dark cherry, bit of coffee chocolate. I mean, classic Barossa Shiraz, but when you're looking at the Western Ridge, you get a lot of musculature in amongst with just a little bit of finesse at the end.